So if LPN gets logged, so this is one of the most important topic. When somebody messes up with this LPN, which is in receiving, and somebody when try to drop this LPN into inventory, this message pops up, LPN gets logged. Maybe
Uh-huh.
somebody might have stuck that LPN while dropping and their system, maybe MSA crashed or whatever reason it may be, but someone holds that LPN and it will get logged. Okay,
Uh-huh.
in that cases you can use LPN unload.
Okay.
This what will this do is it will create a move order, new move order, and it will releases this log
Okay.
by another user. Okay,
Okay.
and the other
Uh,
one is while picking. While picking, there is a LPN unpick or LPN unload. There are two forms. So you might see
okay.
unpick also in your emulator, or maybe you can
Mm.
see LPN unload. So based on that function, whichever the system or the organization is using, that way we can unload or unpick this LPN which is already loaded while picking. So while picking, we can load and drop, right? There are two
Uh-huh.
options.
Right.
So people when they load and did not drop into the staging, okay, but
Uh-huh.
at later point they wanted to unload this, so
So
they
they
go
will
to the
unpick
LPN
and
unload. Yeah.
okay.
And the third usage is while loading into truck. Okay,
Okay.
so LPN is already staged, then user started loading into truck. Later they can unload from truck.
So when we unload
Hmm.
at what location? Does it ask where which location you want to unload it?
It
Which
will
sub
be in
inventory?
same staging area.
Oh, it will be always in unload is always in staging area, huh?
When you unload from the truck, then it will be in staging area.
And when you
So
unload from picking,
hmm, it will be in inventory.
it will automatically go to that sub inventory from where you picked
Yes,
it up.
yes.
Okay. And
Unpick or unload.
if you
Hmm.
have picked it up and staged it, then
Hmm.
if you unload
No,
while
that doesn't
unload.
work because LPN when you provide
No.
it says no result found.
Okay, so when unload, okay, so when it is in the staging sub inventory,
Hmm.
then if you unload it, it will unload in staging. And when you unload while picking, you haven't staged it, it will, and
Yeah.
you do the unload, it will unload to the
Hmm.
inventory from where you have picked it up.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Okay, so this function that it will do in this LPN unload. Okay. So this is
Uh,
we have a
this is this is
standard
in
form
inbound, right?
inbound. Yeah. Okay. Because menus can change, the functions inside the menu can change and it can be customized at a functions and menus form. Okay, like
Okay.
which function you need in which menu. So this can
Yeah, that
be,
is okay. I understand
yeah,
that. I'm trying to
based
see
on the
which, yeah.
organization requirement, they wanted to put jumble some functions into a specific menu. So in this menu they have jumbled all these functions.
Originally, I don't think so.
Hmm.
They exist in LPN. Yeah, LPN unload is there.
Hmm. Hmm.
Uh,
Okay,
yeah.
so anything you wanted to see in this form receiving.
Uh, no, I don't want to right now.
Okay, so we have
Uh,
put away also. Here also you can see move
so
any LPN. Okay, this is
when you
standard.
unload in receiving, the one which is
Hmm.
in receiving, then what
Yeah.
happens? It is unreceived in.
No, no, no. This can be used when LPN gets logged.
Okay.
In receiving, when you do LPN unload, so the LPN gets released from another user. This error message whenever it comes, generally people do the LPN unload. So it will
Oh,
create a new move order line for the put away.
okay, okay. So for example, okay, so
Hmm.
it will be still in receiving that LPN,
Still
right?
in receiving. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So if you know that table MTL transaction request lines, okay,
Okay.
in that
o-
a new record will be uh, inserted with the status as 7, which is pending for put away.
Okay, okay.
So
But in
that does
inquiry,
by
it does it show somewhere in front end also?
no, no,
Pending for put away?
no,
Nothing, no, right?
no.
Once you receive it,
Hmm.
then the next step is then you put away. Okay.
Yeah. So this is only when we do it in the receiving area. You can remember that a new move order line will be created, and that will resolve this issue, LPN locked issue.
I'm just thinking why we have to pre-generate the task
Hmm.
at the time of reset. What is the relevance of that? If I can't do anything from the warehouse control board, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
What is the relevance of checking that box?
So mainly warehouse users wanted to see the pending task just for an inquiry, just like
Uh,
material workbench inquiry we have, right? So
I
that
think
way,
so. That's the only relevance. Otherwise,
that, yeah,
कोई usage है नहीं उसका. There is no usage.
hmm, yeah, because I don't see people use the control board for doing or managing those tasks for the
So
putaways.
so
It is
basically,
only done for picking.
yeah. So basically, the rule will
Hmm.
only suggest you sub-inventory and locator based on
Yeah,
the rule you have set up. That is the only
yeah,
advantage when you are putting away.
correct, correct, correct. Yeah,
Otherwise, from warehouse control board, there is no assignment, nothing.
no, only from the rules.
Hmm. Only the rule component is used.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, in the putaway, like I told, we have jumbled two. One is inbound manual drop, which where there is no suggestion. It is manual drop. Okay, you have seen this in the task, right? From your menus, you would have seen this particular function in task menu. But here we have put our custom putaway where this uh, three putaways have been collated. Okay, this is put away, and this is move any LPN, which you know, and this is inbound manual drop, which
I
you know
don't
as
have
well.
any. I think put away you guys have created. I don't have any
Yeah,
put away.
no, no, I think we have created it, but in general, it will be the standard one would be inbound manual drop and move any LPN.
Okay, so hold on. Stay with that.
Hmm.
So I go to task.
Hmm.
I have a, or you want me to go to inbound? You're in inbound, right?
No, inbound, I think you will not have it because these are custom configured menus and functions.
Okay, so if I, no, I'm trying to see if I check the inbound, I have a
Hmm.
express receive, I have a express receive,
Hmm.
I have a receive, which is
Hmm.
against the receive can be anything, PO and internal shipment.
Hmm.
It can be uh,
Hmm.
RMA, internal
Hmm.
requisition, ASN, all return
Yeah.
ASN, Kanban, logout. Okay,
Hmm.
so
Hmm.
then
Hmm.
if I go to item, what is difference between receive and item receive? Do you know?
Item receive, normal receive. I mean, are you talking about the menus? When you click on the menu, there are document types, right?
Let me.
But when you go for the item receive,
You are
I
done with
think
the
it will.
inbound. You're done with the inbound, or I
Yeah.
mean inbound. Okay, let me share my document types. Is that okay?
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
So wherever this PO exists,
Hmm.
stupidity. Yeah, this is so stupidity. I have one PO. Let me try that. So it will take the PO now. Yeah, it's other way around. You're putting item. The only reason you are doing is that I don't know in which scenario you will use it. You don't know the PO, and then you are receiving the item, and then you are identifying which PO
But
it exists.
but the PO number which you entered, does that have that item?
Yeah, that's the reason it took it.
Okay.
तभी लिया उसने, अभी नहीं तो लेता नहीं था वो. See?
It's checking what all items are which are pending to come in the inbound area.
Yeah, something
Then
like
it's
that.
matching with the
I mean,
PO.
yeah, it's a reverse engineering. We have to do what is the scenario against which this will be used.
Hmm.
So this is 200. Okay, lot 200. Okay, done. Okay. Okay. So let's go back.
Yeah.
Then inspect, we know what we do in
Yeah.
inspect.
Yeah.
Then LPN unload, you just told me it is for
Correct.
unlocking in the receiving. When you
Yeah.
have picked it up, you unload it, it will go back to that inventory from where you picked it up. If you
Hmm.
unload from stage,
Truck.
unload if it is already lying in staging.
Hmm.
I mean, it doesn't know when you where from where you are unloading. Basically, operationally, it is happening outside, right? That
Yeah. Yeah.
it is on truck. I want to unload it, but
Hmm.
once you unload from a staging sub inventory, it is it. I mean, over here, I don't know in which sub inventory it is, but it will
Hmm.
unload and keep it in the same area.
Yes.
Make sense? Huh?
Yes. Yes.
A return split. I don't know. There's a maybe it is for RMA. Any idea on this one?
Again,
Return.
RMA return. We don't use it.
Return.
Return
Yeah.
unpack. Return split. Anything
Return
related to RMA.
consolidate. Yeah,
Hmm.
something. Return unpack.
Hmm.
Returns consolidate. Parent LPN. You're consolidating. Merging to R. I don't know. Then the return unpack.
Hmm.
Unpack. What does unpack does? Does it opens the LPN and then it is
In
no more
general,
LPN?
unpacking. In general, unpacking is to make the quantity loose instead of
Yeah,
putting it in
exactly.
LPN.
Right.
Yeah.
It is no more.
Hmm.
Okay, maybe it is from
Okay, if it
LPN
is
to
asking for a new LPN, then I think it is unpacking the material from LPN to the newer LPN and putting it in the newer LPN.
yeah, that's what the way it looks like.
Hmm.
And then return is okay. This is to return the LPN.
Hmm. Hmm.
तो बहुत सारे LPN आ जाएंगे. Okay, anyways, so this will return the LPN. Return where? But 1 second. From where we picked it up? There's nothing
Yeah, I
over
think
here.
it's, hmm.
It won't generate because
Hmm.
it's something you are returning which you have received. Okay. So this
Inbound.
is your inbound menu.
Yeah.
I think major thing was unload only, which was sort
Hmm.
of a value addition. The rest are like you know
Normal receiving. Yeah.
understood kind of things.
Hmm.
Apart from these things, which we can play around. Okay, what else you want to cover over here now?
Okay, let's cover the warehousing. Go to warehousing. So these are all transactions that can be done within the warehouse. It's not inbound, it's not outbound. It is within the warehouse. All the functions we do, like so receipts, we have inventory transactions and LPN transactions both.
Okay, this is equivalent to what we do in the system.
Hmm. Count alias and alias issues and all that we can do in the inventory
Yeah.
transactions.
Right. 1 second. Account. Okay. So I may not have accounts defined over here. Change
Hmm.
work on to 200. So okay, go ahead. I want you. Well, I'll let
Yeah,
you
in
drive.
the inventory, go to inventory. So we have counting. Okay, we have receipt, issues, transfers, and counting. So all these four functions can be done within the warehouse. Receipts can be done, the alias and the issue.
Okay. So this is container adjustment. So basically, what you're doing, you're adding a item quantity in the LPN,
No, you need to receive a new LPN actually and put some item that will be miscellaneous receipt, kind of miscellaneous receipt you are trying to do here.
but I can't receive in the existing LPN.
You can.
That's
That's
what
why
it
it
is
is
allowing me
showing.
to do. Yeah,
That's why it is showing the existing sub inventory locator of that LPN.
yeah, because I selected the existing LPN.
Yeah.
So basically, I can add item also into the LPN, right?
Hmm. Correct. Correct.
I just stupidly clicked on. I don't have many items. No, 200 will have. So if there are a lot of items, what will happen in this application?
It will go. It
It
will
will
go
behave like a
infinite
standard
loop.
application. Huh?
Go into infinite loop. The good thing is that even item has the barcode in warehouse, so they don't enter it manually.
That's true.
Everything is barcode driven nowadays. People are, using try to create the barcodes for username password also. They don't want to enter.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Arey yaar, already signed on because I
Hmm.
stupidity. But I came out from app. My session is still active. So it doesn't say you're already signed on. Do you want to bring the old session?
Sometimes it gets stuck. We need to rebounce that particular thing.
अब क्या करेंगे? It won't let me do through telnet also, right? Maybe let's try.
Yeah.
हाँ इधर आया ना, right?
Yeah. Continue with it. Hmm.
Okay, let me. इसमें वापस कैसे जाते हैं? F2
F2 function F2.
function F2. हाँ इसमें नहीं काम कर रहा, अब ऐसे ही कर रहा है. Function F2, हाँ function F2, function F3 back, F3 back.
Function F3. Yeah. From the LOV it is function F3.
Oh, it's asking me to put some item. And if I
Hmm.
have to totally go out,
Function F2.
I want to cancel this transaction.
Yeah, function F2 will cancel it.
Okay, yes.
Hmm.
Let's log out. Are you sure you want to? Oh,
Yes.
yes, yes. So let me go back over there now. Should let me log in. Okay. So warehouse, we said it is
Hmm.
okay. You were saying this is okay. This is equivalent to this only.
Equivalent. Yeah.
You know what we do over in inventory.
Yes.
This one, right?
Yeah.
Whether we
Correct.
want to do account alias, whether we want to do okay.
There you can't put LPN, so in MSA you can.
Yeah, yeah. Consignment, VMI receipt. Okay. So what is there in this one? Oh, gold. Okay. Consolidating owning 40 pink party account LPN. Okay. You're receiving the material of the consigned sub inventory. Okay.
Hmm.
This it's okay. Okay. So this is, let me go back. This is again all that stuff. I got it.
Yeah. Same for issuing out.
Yeah.
We have
This is for
transfers,
subtrans
inventory
transfer,
transfer,
org
out
transfer,
transfers.
serial sub transfer. So this is org transfer, serial sub transfer. And this also exists in
Hmm. Yeah.
Oracle. I forgot planning
Yeah.
transfer actually. Do you know what is planning transfer?
No, Sumir.
I also forgot. Transfer to regular. What is transfer to regular? Do you know?
No, actually. Maybe same. It's asking for owing party.
Okay.
Yeah.
Inventory
Mainly
transfer.
those transfers, sub inventory and out transfers can be used there
Kanban replenish.
for replenishing and all.
Have you used this?
Not regularly, but to replenish, I long ago used it.
So what do you
Replenishing the
do
material.
over here basically?
It's kind of a same replenishing the material inside the inventory, meaning on hand badana hai. So you need to do that replenish. Click on that card number.
Card
You
number.
need to give that Kanban card number,
Card
any card
number.
number.
Okay. Then you have auto reply. I don't have any idea on these.
Yeah, we rarely use that actually. Don't do
Yeah.
counting. So
Counting.
this is the main thing: cycle counting
Yeah.
and physical counting. Yeah.
So what you
So
do
we
over here?
generally do the counting from this forms, right? Here we can do LPN by LPN.
I won't have anything in my. One second. Let me change that one. So what will happen? Which sub inventory I want to do? Which item I want to do?
If you have LPN, you can do by LPN as well. It will not, it will not ask for item if you do. If you click
Over
on
here.
parent,
Why it
yeah,
is saying parent LPN?
the topmost LPN, because बॉक्स के ऊपर वो outermost box के ऊपर LPN रहता है ना, that will get scanned initially.
So,
That is
I
parent, yeah.
mean, if it is a pallet LPN, that is a parent LPN only.
Correct, correct, yeah.
And and the boxes inside the LPN. So basically, if
Hmm.
the pallet has boxes and each box is LPN, and on
Hmm.
the pallet also it is LPN, then pallet is the parent LPN, and then a box LPN is
Hmm.
the child LPN, right?
Correct, correct, yeah.
So it is asking me to scan the parent LPN
Which is outside, yeah.
for that, okay, which is outside. And then if there are multiple items in it,
No, it will not ask for item then. It is only
okay,
LPN summary. That's it.
okay. I want to open this. Yeah, I won't have it. So basically, uh,
Hmm.
what happens when you, but cycle counting is generated from the Oracle only standard
Yes,
application,
yes,
but
yes.
you can do the cycle counting from here.
Correct.
Okay. This is for scheduling the cycle count. So is it mandatory to do a cycle counting from here if the org is WMS enabled, or
Yes,
it
yes.
can, oh,
Because
because it will
every,
become LPN.
every sub-inventory locator will be replenished with LPN data, right? So actually, the main concern is that people used to get that counting list, right? With that
Uh-huh.
counting list, then they have to go to each sub inventory locator and count the items quantity and put it the manual work. They used to write it down how much quantity is there and all.
Then update the
Then
system.
then they come back again updating the system. So this redundant task has been reduced with MSCA. They'll just carry the handheld device, then they scan the LPN. They'll just accept the summary, so it will be counted. If they wanted to
Okay.
do item by item, they scan the LPN.
So, so,
They click
so,
on detail.
o-
Hmm.
okay, sorry, I'm stepping on you. So,
Hmm.
MSCA was, so my current client is still using MSCA. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Now, when they will, their current org will become WMS,
Yeah,
they will still go in MSCA, but now what will happen is LPN will start showing up, right?
correct, correct. They instead of item, they scan the LPNs now, and there is an option shown whether you wanted to accept the entire LPN as counted, or you wanted to count individual item inside that LPN. So that also there is a facility. There will be
So,
two buttons coming: summary and detail. When
okay,
they click on the summary, the LPN and its quantities items inside it will be accepted as whole. So there is no discrepancy. But if they wanted to click on detail, all the items will show up. Then he need to enter the quantity which he counted.
okay.
Okay.
इसका कुछ टेस्ट स्क्रिप्ट है क्या which I can run one transaction?
Let's go to cycle count form. Okay. Setup. Let's open define cycle count.
I'm
Define,
also seeing something over here.
define cycle
मैंने
count.
इधर नया डिफाइन किया तो क्या होगा WM1
Uh,
cycle count step
stuck
cycle
हो गया
count.
है.
हाँ, कौन सा?
अरे बाप. हाँ, cycle count. Okay.
I'm not looking at your screen. You are defining now?
Now I'm opening the existing one.
Okay.
You wanted to see that, right? The
Yeah,
counting
yeah.
listing report. Okay, the org is different. Let me change that org.
Do you have to load ABC in cycle count? Is it mandatory? I forgot.
Yeah, it is.
It is. So I have to do ABC also, right?
Yes.
Right. Running the cycle.
All will remain same except that it's MSCA with having the LPN. That's it.
Uh-huh. No, no, I understand. I just want to see the.
Okay, open. So I'm running generate cycle count listing report. Okay. Okay. And current request submitted. I'll go to request. Fine. Okay. Get output. Oh, no data.
यार इसका ये बड़ा होता है cycle count में ना. I have seen so many times. Sometimes data
No,
doesn't
I
come.
think I need to schedule it first. Cycle count scheduler. Okay. Submitted. Yes. Fine. Okay. Uh, it's auto scheduler. Here the setup they did not do actually. Dailies. Daily. Now I'll run the scheduler again. It has run. Let me see this querying again. Cancel it. Open it again. Last date, next date did not come. Auto scheduler. Sir, adjustments. ये नहीं आया actually. Some setup is missing here.
ये बहुत तंग करता है.
Automatic
इन्वेंट्री
recount.
अकाउंटिंग पीरियड का तो कुछ इशू नहीं है.
इसने ऑल कर दिया. इनएक्टिव ठीक है. अनशेड्यूल्ड अंडर डिस्प्ले सिस्टम ऑटोमेटिक रिकॉर्ड. दिस इज आल्सो फाइन. One per serial control options is fine. Auto schedule daily is fine. Do not allow adjustment. Review all adjustments. This is also fine. अच्छा, we need to reinitialize it. Same. Yeah, we made a change. Na? Let's see.
Okay. Group classes.
Tool required. Default group completed. Update classes. So we have classes. Default class counts per year. Counts per year. अभी start हुआ ना. Now interview 300 counts per year. चलेगा ना. नहीं. These are not considered, right? 250 will go.
Okay.
Then
So, so
items. Okay, we have default group items here. Let's do the initialize again.
okay.
And then the
Let
scheduler.
me do a cycle count in my world also. WM1 cycle count. WM1 cycle count.
नहीं आ रहा एक्चुअली.
You checked the auto schedule, right?
Hmm.
Okay, count zero
Sequence
content.
that's fine. The checkbox is fine, but it should come the last date and next date field. उसमें आना चाहिए. But yeah, why are we doing this? I forgot the context.
We want to check how the report looks like,
Oh,
right?
right. Let's see the count, generate count requests. Okay. Count request generate किया. This is running.
The performs. मैंने भी रन किया, देख लो अगर आ रहा है तो.
Hmm.
मैंने भी अपनी वो नई ऑग में ना
Hmm.
अभी रन किया है. नो इतने आसानी से नहीं आएगा. हाँ, मेरा भी नो डेटा फाउंड ही आया है.
अभी देखते जनरेट काउंट रिक्वेस्ट किया मैंने. Do the cycle count estimate. It should come now, I guess. देखते हैं. Fingers crossed. ये रनिंग हो रहा है तो मेरे हिसाब से आना चाहिए. ये आउटपुट आ गया देखो.
आ गया.
या
क्या किया था?
काउंट रिक्वेस्ट जनरेट किया, उसके बाद रन किया. शेड्यूलर सीक्वेंशियली किया मैंने. तो सी हियर वी कैन सी द एलपीएन. ओके.
एक बारी मेरा भी करवाना है. हाँ, आई जस्ट वांट टू डू इट फॉर माई सेल्फ ऑल्सो.
ओके ओके.
Give me the presentation rights. So this is the group I created.
ओके.
Let me assignment group. Okay, assign items. Oh, sorry, not assign items. Update items. You see, these items got assigned. ठीक है.
बीसी क्लास में. हाँ.
अभी साइकिल काउंट में गया मैं. Open. So this I have kept like this. I'm doing for
Yeah,
all.
yeah.
और इस इधर मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. इधर मेरा कुछ नहीं है. ऑटो स्केड्यूल में बस मैंने काउंट जीरो क्वांटिटी बोला है. एंड देन आई सेट फ्रीक्वेंसी डेली.
नहीं, इसमें सीरियल कंट्रोल ऑप्शंस में काउंट ओपन करो. वन पर रिक्वेस्ट.
ओके
शुड बी फाइन. या
ओके.
एडजस्टमेंट्स में जाओ एक बार. आउट ऑफ टॉलरेंस में रिक्वायर्ड ऑलवेज, उसमें अप्रूवल रिक्वायर्ड है ना, उसमें ऑलवेज करो. ऑलवेज. हाँ. लेट्स ऑप्शंस में reinitialize and then save it. Let's open classes once.
Okay, so this is good.
Open classes from here.
Yeah, I'm doing it.
Counts per year में put it 250. It should be. Save it. देखो अब आइटम्स में आ गया है क्या? Do it reinitialize again. Save. Save it. अभी और एक बार ओपन करके साइकिल काउंट को Let's see, items are getting updated or not.
Yeah, if items are loaded, then we can.
Hmm.
Yeah, items are there.
There, no? हाँ,
Um,
ठीक है. Is
outcome.
it? Then try to schedule it.
Should I run perform full cycle count or?
Anything is fine. Perform full cycle. Click करो. In the parameters, account
Yeah,
name.
no. I don't know why it doesn't show in list of values over here, but in the last one it shows.
Hmm, hmm,
इधर भी नहीं दिखाएगा. हाँ, इधर दिखा रहा है.
hmm.
Oh, okay. Oh, when I'm saying all, so that's the
Hmm.
reason it is. If I say only that's the reason it was not showing. So if I
Yeah.
say no, then it will come.
Hmm, hmm.
This is all good. Display on
All
again.
good. Yeah. Hmm. Accept the defaults. Submit. Hmm.
लग रहा है इस पर ही कुछ कर रहा है.
वो जनरेट कर रहा है ना रिपोर्ट.
हाँ, नो नो, इट्स टेकिंग टाइम ना. तो एक ट्रांजेक्शन करेंगे यहाँ से. हाँ
सी आउटपुट देखो उसका.
हाँ हाँ. तेरी.
नो डेटा.
इसी में आना चाहिए ना, साइकिल काउंट लिस्टिंग में, है ना.
हाँ. शायद वो ऑटो जन वो नहीं हुआ शायद. एक बार साइकिल का ओपन कर लो. सी द सीरियल स्टैप. यहाँ पे लास्ट डेट नेक्स्ट डेट नहीं हुआ एक्चुअली.
और दैट्स द रीजन. Because I should I populate today's date and then try,
ट्राई वंस.
है ना. The valid work day. Oh, define my. Oh,
Oh, today is Saturday.
Saturday.
That's why it did not generate.
फिर अभी अगर मैं इसका अगर करना चाहूँ आज तो क्या करना पड़ेगा.
Monday करना पड़ेगा सर.
हाँ.
These are all non-working days. इसीलिए ना counts per day में हमको लगाना पड़ेगा less than 250. It will not accept Saturday, Sunday countings.
तो ओके इधर.
हाँ. इधर 365 it will not accept because 365 में से हमको Saturday, Sundays निकालना पड़ेगा. Then we need to enter only working days
तो but
for
what I
that
have to do
calendar
if
year.
I have to run it today? No way.
I think no way.
Okay. तो
क्योंकि
ये
वो
अब
शेड्यूल ही नहीं होगा ना.
तो ये मंडे को करना पड़ेगा. हाँ.
हम्म. You need to run that scheduler on Monday. तो वो शेड्यूल कर
If I
देगा.
don't auto schedule it and forcibly run it today, what will happen?
सी वंस.
अगर मैं इसको ऑटो
वो
स्केड्यूल ही नहीं
डिसेबल हो
करूँगा.
जाएगा पूरा.
हाँ.
डिसेबल हो गया पूरे लास्ट डेट नेक्स्ट डेट
तो
फ्रीक्वेंसी
it should
रिपोर्ट.
generate, right?
लेट्स ट्राई. डिड यू सेव इट?
हाँ हाँ. ओ इनिशियलाइज तो नहीं करना.
करो एक बार.
ट्राई करते हैं. फिर मंडे को देखना पड़ेगा।
Yeah.
हाँ, नहीं हुआ, इतनी जल्दी हुआ तो।
हम्म,
आई डोंट
मंडे
नो।
को ही देखना पड़ेगा।
ठीक है, चलो मंडे को देखेंगे इसको फिर।
Yeah.
So I'll just put automatic reschedule daily. So Monday I just run it, right? I mean, I
और
think you're,
around,
the reason I'm asking you is because you are very close to it ना। मैं इतना जल्दी off lately, मतलब कि I'm not working on it off lately. I know cycle counting, पर ये मुझे पता है, ये it troubles you lot if the parameters are not correct.
करेक्ट करेक्ट हाँ।
So you won't
जनरेट
know.
तो हम नहीं करेंगे, दैट बिजनेस विल डू, वी
No,
विल
no.
ओनली
What I'm saying
कंसिडर।
is, yeah, what I'm saying is Monday if I run it
इट शुड
as it
कम, या
is,
इट शुड कम।
or I can run the reinitialize once again and then run it.
हाँ करेक्ट करेक्ट या।
And then I want to see that it will show the LPN.
हम्म
Okay, and then they will take that sheet and do
हम्म।
through MSCA by
They
putting
won't take
the,
that shit, they won't take that shit,
okay, they will just
they go one by one। सब
one by
इन्वेंटरी
one.
पहले जो रो में जाएगा, वो रो
Uh,
खत्म करके नेक्स्ट रो में जाकर वहां पे काउंटिंग करेगा सीक्वेंशियली, विल डू बाय ओनली हैंड हेल्ड, नो पेपर
uh,
वर्क।
right. वो देखना है मुझे एक बारी ना। I'll just see it. See, my motive is also what
या।
change management they will go through. You know what I'm saying?
हम्म।
That will be also, there. Okay, cycle. So what we did, inventory counting. Okay, so cycle counting, physical count. Okay, physical count will be also same.
Same menu, same form, same,
Uh,
I mean fields.
I got it. I
Only
got it. LPN will be the addition.
only thing is we need to create that in PA form.
We have to create in which form? Sorry, I've missed your what you
Physical
said.
physical inventory form. अभी cycle count form में create किया ना हमने।
Right. But the
Need to
LPN
give
will be the
physical.
addition, right?
There some terminology will change. We call there as tags. एक एक record
There,
tag बोलते हैं।
उधर the tags होते हैं.
हाँ, and
Right.
terminology will change, but functionality same है।
वो तो when that I'm aware.
हम्म।
Yeah. Okay, locator. हाँ, इधर भी LPN आ गया ना।
Same menu, same functions है।
हाँ,
Sorry, fields.
yeah. I'm aware of it.
The only thing is that they'll do once in a year. That's it.
हाँ, physical inventory is once in a year.
Hmm.
मैं see, वो तो थोड़े concept I'm aware of it. I'm just trying to see what is the change management from today to tomorrow when the org becomes WMS. ठीक है, वो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू गेट टू। और उसमें आप मुझे बोल रहे हो कि नाउ दे डोंट हैव टू कैरी द पेपर, दे कैन डायरेक्टली गो विद दिस
Hmm.
हैंडहेल्ड एंड द
Hmm.
only change will be now they will have LPNs to put in
Correct.
and then summary and detail,
Hmm.
their option, right?
That's it.
uh,
Summary will make them, in a speedy cycle counting. Detail, they if they wanted to, enter the quantity in
that is a
detail.
laborious one, yeah, they have to.
In case of discrepancies, that can help them. Otherwise, all LPNs will be scanned, regularly without opening the palette.
Okay, so that is so your understanding, Praneeth. I'm apart from understanding the
Hmm.
nitty gritties of WMS, I'm also trying to understand what is the
Yeah.
shift from today's inventory world. Say they are doing all this
Hmm.
or any function they are doing in inventory today.
Hmm.
What is the impact in the future world? We know at
Hmm.
10,000
Hmm.
feet level it is LPN, but what are the other additional things which, like as you just mentioned, that
Hmm.
they will be uh, they if they want to do a detail, then they, I mean, you just mentioned something in your concluding comments.
Meaning if they wanted to enter the discrepancy quantity when they count, That they can do in detail button.
Okay, 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 okay.
Okay. They if they think that the quantity should be counted, and that counted quantity they'll enter in the system. So that adjustments they'll again do in the forms.
Okay.
Hmm.
So
They will not use.
I'll create one physical and one cycle count. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
I'll just run it through and I'll circle back with you.
Hmm.
Okay. Because I want to
Sure, sure.
visualize it. ऐसे समझ नहीं आता मुझे. I'm more
हाँ,
of a visual person.
right, right. Anyways, you know the defining of cycle count and
हाँ
PI.
हाँ ये सब
Now
पता है
you know
मुझे.
the forms in MSCA. The
Yeah,
only
yeah, yeah,
difference
yeah.
is that
Yeah, I
we
want
will
to see
not
what is
use
the
the cycle
difference.
count entries form now. We will use the MSCA
Right, 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 right.
with the LPNs.
तो साइकिल काउंट एंट्रीज फॉर्म तो आज भी वो यूज करते हैं. तो अगर कल भी यूज करेंगे.
Going forward, हाँ,
हाँ, गोइंग फॉरवर्ड.
क्योंकि that
हाँ.
is only opened when they wanted to enter it manually, the counted quantity. If they are trying to go into the warehouse and count in the MSCA itself, they don't need to open the entries form now.
Yeah, right,
They
right.
will be entering that quantity in MSCA
And
only in detail button.
if they are. And so sorry, I'm belaboring on it. So
Yeah.
today if they try to do through MSCA, they can't do through
Mm.
MSCA, you are saying?
What they can't do?
No, no, today also they
Yeah.
can do this counting entry from
Yeah.
MSCA, right?
They can, but they won't have this LPN summary
हाँ
for the
हाँ,
inventory
LPN
one.
exclude, वही
Yeah.
that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
आज भी कर
Correct.
सकते हैं but LPN नहीं है.
Correct. Correct.
But from tomorrow what is addition is कि
Mm.
कर भी फिर system से they can do it from a handheld,
Mm.
but
Mm.
the LPN is giving them a capability of counting it fast.
Correct.
See, if you see at a nutshell, it is giving them, LPN is bringing that efficiency into the operation,
Correct.
that कि भैया
Correct.
तुमने LPN पे ही count करना है तो just scan the LPN period.
That's it.
But it is also giving you a capability of counting the way you were counting before org was WMS enabled, like if you
Yeah.
want
Yeah.
to count in detail.
Correct. That is there anyways.
हाँ, वो that is the theory which
Mm.
I'm saying right?
Correct. Correct. You are right.
Right. Okay.
Mm.
So that is it. Okay. When you want to drop.
Yeah, your wish. If
Okay.
you
You're
wanted to
okay.
know something more, then I am here to explain you.
Okay. No, no, I was just going through this warehousing.
Mm.
So I want to,
Yeah.
I'll do this, that I'll
Okay.
create the accounts. I want to circle
Mm.
back with you on that if I have some
Yeah.
questions. Uh,
Mm.
is there any plan for today evening or you won't be available again?
Today evening means
Your,
my
oh,
tomorrow
sorry, your
7 a.m.
morning. Yeah,
Uh,
sorry. Uh,
yeah, morning I think I am not available. Same time tomorrow evening, meaning your mornings.
प्रनीत मेरे सारे काम रुक जाते हैं.
ऐसा है क्या संडे के दिन?
हाँ यार, मेरे आई हैव टू डू लॉट ऑफ चोर्स मैन. और मॉर्निंग में
Uh,
ही मोजो रहता है. अभी मैं उठूंगा ना तो इट विल एवरीथिंग विल स्लो डाउन बिकॉज आई स्टार्टेड द डे लेट, यू नो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग.
mm, yeah, yeah.
वो थोड़ा मेरा, हाँ है. I know it is
Mm,
inconvenience for you also. You have been working whole week and it is difficult for you to
mm,
invest in mornings. You want to also get up at your pace.
yeah, that's fine.
मेरे को
No,
गेट अप,
I
मेरे को
get
सुबह
it.
उठने का कुछ नहीं है. हाँ, सी,
Mm,
फॉर मी waking up is not, I get up 5:30,
mm,
I mean every day.
mm, mm.
Okay, my
Yeah,
point
yeah.
is मेरा, my work, जो अदर काम होते हैं ना, सारे डिले हो
Mm,
जाते हैं या होते ही नहीं है या मूड ही नहीं बनता.
mm. Yeah.
That's a problem.
Okay, okay. But if you wanted to test around, you can do. अभी कभी भी कोई डाउट है ना, you can ping me in WhatsApp also. That also works. I can just connect in the WhatsApp. You can screen
अरे
share with
I,
that Zoom or
yeah,
whatever it
yeah,
is.
to be honest with you, you know,
Mm,
you know apart from this information, whatever you are teaching me, I want some inner
mm,
information also. Hey, this happens in actual life, like this kind of thing. बिकॉज ये चीज़ें
Yeah.
ना कल कल मैंने वो लैब्स डाउनलोड की थी मेटालिंक से, स्पोर्ट्स
Hmm.
से.
Hmm. Hmm.
So I did. So my point is, I got where the missing link for me was, Praneeth.
Hmm.
It was definitely, I'm not a WMS expert, and neither I want to claim right now. But मेरे को रूल स्ट्रेटेजी और वर्क बेंच का कुछ आइडिया ही नहीं हो रहा था. एंड इट वाज आई डिडंट हैड अ पेशेंस टू रीड आल्सो. ठीक
Hmm.
है.
Hmm. Hmm.
बट
Hmm.
एंड और जबकि लैब्स भी अवेलेबल थी, फिर अब वो लैब्स मुझे दे आर मेकिंग सेंस फॉर मी. ओके.
Right.
व्हेन आई गो.
Right.
ओके. सो सो दैट वाज वन थिंग. अदरवाइज मैंने
Hmm.
ऑर्डर पिक भी किया हुआ है, ऑर्डर शिप भी किया हुआ है, क्यू में भी डाला
Hmm.
हुआ है,
Hmm.
और लेबल्स भी जनरेट किए हैं मैंने. ठीक है.
Okay. Hmm.
सो माय पॉइंट इज, मुझे पता है वो भी तुम मुझे पढ़ाओगे, लेकिन मैं तुम्हें ये
Hmm.
बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि जब तुम मुझे पढ़ाओगे मुझे एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन दो कुछ, जो यू नो obviously I'll ask you questions, but give me some
Hmm.
information which is very value addition kind of, hey, this is a change management, this will bring this,
Yeah, क्योंकि अभी वही हो रहा है ना, फॉर अदर स्टूडेंट्स, राइट? इट इज लाइक रैपर बता के ना, आई विल रैप इट ऑफ, क्योंकि दे डोंट नो एनीथिंग ना, दे जस्ट नो
हाँ.
that they wanted to learn
मुझ
WMS on top of
राइट.
inventory. I will just cover all the topics one by one, and I'll then wrap it off. ये अभी क्या है ना, this is going in detail, so I wanted to teach you also in detail because you are already
Yeah, yeah.
using it.
And it's
If you
helping
have
both
any,
ways, right?
yeah.
And I'm not the guy. See, I have I'm not the guy who will, because I can sense you know the stuff. Period. अब हर चीज
Hmm.
तो हर को, अब मुझे भी कई चीजें नहीं, अब मुझे, अब आई क्लेम माई सेल्फ एज इन्वेंट्री एक्सपर्ट, पर साइकिल काउंट पे
Hmm.
मैं एवरी डे आई एम नॉट सिटिंग, राइट.
Yeah, yeah,
सो आई नो ऑल दस चैलेंजेस, लाइक पुटवे का हमने साथ में ही
yeah. Hmm.
क्लैरिफाई किया एक दूसरे से. तो विच इज
Right.
ओके, फाइन. आई एम दैट्स अ वेरी हेल्दी डिस्कशन एक्चुअली, आई वांट इन दैट वे ओनली.
Hmm.
तो मुझे ऐसे
Yeah.
डिटेल्स चाहिए, मुझे ना ये ऊपर का, आई नो हाउ टू ड्राइव द कार, इज ऑल आई एम सेइंग.
Hmm.
मुझे ये चाहिए
Okay.
कि अंदर हुड में है क्या जो ये करता है, और ये चेंज मैनेजमेंट क्या है.
Hmm.
अगर मैंने आई हैव पुट दिस एक्सेसरी ऑफ WMS इन माय कार, what is
Hmm.
now different functioning which will happen from, like you told about cycle counting today, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So we cleared among ourselves कि what is the change management. अब उनको
Hmm.
फ्यूचर में cycle count में क्या एडवांटेज है.
Hmm.
And I mean it's LPN obviously everywhere, but at least we
Yeah.
can substantiate it now.
Right. Right.
तो ये है. मैं
Hmm.
I'll show you what I was saying was, I mean, you may have already knowing it.
Hmm.
So this is how I have segregated the labs. So yesterday I ran all
Hmm.
the inbound. You see over here?
Yeah.
ये सब मैंने कल रन किए हैं actually.
Okay.
Okay. I didn't do opportunistic cross-talking. Okay.
Hmm.
I didn't do that.
Okay.
Okay. Uh, then I have segregated them into label printing.
Hmm.
So this I already ran it. I already ran it in the sense कि मैंने जब
Hmm.
ऑर्डरिंग का कुछ WMS का इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रहा, मतलब कि आई वाज ट्राइंग टू सी अ WMS फिजिबिलिटी स्टडी, आई वाज गिवन दैट टास्क. तो मैंने ये
Okay.
लेबल्स वगैरह कॉन्फ़िगर किए हैं, एंड आई हैव
Hmm.
अटैच देम टू बिजनेस फ्लोस. कल मैंने एक लेबल
Hmm.
रिसिप्ट पे अटैच किया है. ठीक है.
Correct. Yeah. Hmm.
एंड आई हैव जनरेटेड द लेबल्स इन द बिजनेस फ्लो व्हेन आई रिसीव्ड इट.
Hmm.
सो वो किया है, लेकिन विल गो ओवर इट. बट पॉइंट, माय पॉइंट इज कि एज यू आई एम नॉट कमिंग टू द टेबल कि मुझे कुछ पता ही नहीं है.
Hmm.
इट्स ऑल आई
Yeah.
एम ट्राइंग टू से टू यू. सो व्यू लेबल रिक्वेस्ट कल कल किया था मैंने रन. So what you want to, so I would like to wrap off now. क्या
ओके,
प्रोग्राम है, फिर कल ही कनेक्ट करेंगे सुबह?
ठीक है, ठीक है।
आप नहीं कर सकते ना शाम को, है ना?
सुबह मतलब आपका सुबह?
नहीं, मेरा तो मेरा, मैं तो अपना शाम चाहता हूँ कनेक्ट करना, लेकिन आप शाम, आपका सुबह है वो, विच इज 7 o'clock
हाँ,
फॉर यू।
एक्चुअली मेरा एग्जाम्स है। आई एम डूइंग लॉ, तो लॉ
सर्टिफिकेट
के एग्जाम शुरू हुए हैं।
लॉ कर रहे हो?
हाँ, आई डू मल्टीपल थिंग्स। Somewhere there is a law course is running, and somewhere freelancing, and somewhere my own job, and somewhere this training. Multiple
लॉ में
things
क्या
are
क्या
there.
है, सिविल कर रहे हो क्या?
नहीं, लॉ डिग्री है ना।
तो लॉ डिग्री ये एक्चुअली एक को मिला था, इंडिया में था। सो आई
सॉरी,
मीन,
ब्रेक हुआ आपका वॉइस।
no, so you want to pivot towards law, I mean, what kind of law it is? Like, it's a law is cover, I mean, I don't have any idea. It covers everything, criminal, civil.
या सब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं, इट्स जस्ट लाइक ए नॉर्मल डिग्री कोर्स। 3 ईयर
Uh-huh.
डिग्री जो रहता है ना, सिमिलर टू
Uh-huh.
दैट। बट देर विल बी 6 सेम्स, 6 सेमेस्टर्स। सो अलग अलग टॉपिक्स कवर होंगे, सिर्फ
Okay.
क्रिमिनल, फैमिली, एनवायरमेंटल, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स, जो जो भी है सब कवर होंगे,
Then
बट
you further specialize in what you want to.
नॉट नीडेड, क्योंकि
Okay.
ये तो हम अभी कैसे करें, हम बीटेक जो करें ना वैसा ही है। बाद में करने के बाद ही पता चलेगा कि क्या है सेक्शंस पूरे।
I got it. I got it. I got it.
नहीं, वी नीड जस्ट अ डिग्री सर्टिफिकेट, दैट्स इट।
Okay.
या,
ठीक है. So we will. So what you want to cover tomorrow, and what you want me to? So we started with warehousing, and I said I
या,
want to do this counting thoroughly, which I agree.
या।
And then we have a previous
The only
menu. Then
topic left would be after doing this cycle counting and warehousing, the LPN transactions and all. So we would have only the outbound area. Okay. So that we will do till ship confirm. So once it is done, then this course will get ended.
okay, and then I want to do this. I want to do
Hmm.
this. ये labeling था ना, ये I want to pick your brain on this.
Label reprinting.
Labels कहाँ थे warehousing में? Okay, labels. So this is
Hmm.
printer sign on label request. Label request, label type. Okay. Okay. This will print the label.
Yeah.
Okay.
You need to first sign on to a printer. Okay. Sign on करने के बाद ही either we can reprint or request.
And when you say sign on means you have to select the printer,
Correct.
and then
जो
label
भी
type is.
ट्रांजैक्शन वो करेगा अभी साइन ऑन करने के बाद, सारे उस प्रिंटर में जनरेट होंगे।
Oh, okay. So sign on successful.
हम्म।
अभी अभी मैं जो ट्रांजैक्शन करूंगा, और
हम्म।
and if the business flow is attached to the label is
या।
attached to the business flow, it will print
हम्म।
all the labels there.
हम्म। या।
Okay. And if I want to reprint certain labels on a demand, then I can
हम्म।
reprint from, right?
करेक्ट, करेक्ट।